Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out and test driving a great looking 1967 Pontiac Firebird.
This is such a sweet original mile car. This one's got 74,916 miles, and that interior is original. Just a beautiful original interior, great shape.
A really crisp car throughout. You know, the detail under the hood, correct air breather, engine compartment looks good. And look at the trim tag as a factory.
Turquoise car.
Yep.
Factory K code, turquoise car. Aluminum radiator, does have power disc brakes on the front, new dual exhaust. WC code 326 1967 block, but we couldn't find the VIN on it to verify if it was the numbers matching block. So it's got a 3-speed Saginaw manual transmission in it, which it would have come with factory stock. So that's kind of cool too. It's just neat that no one like hot rodded it too much and beat on it. You can just tell by the way the car smells and sits inside and drives. It's just been very well taken care of.
They did do a nice upgrade with front disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors. Great looking paint.
Beautiful paint, isn't it? I mean, this is a car you can take to any show and be very proud of. And you just don't see many nice 67 Firebirds, especially with a 3-speed manual still in them. Done back to the original turquoise color, and the paint job is beautiful. The gaps are awesome. Look how nice the back of the hood lines up to the cowl. Top of the fender. Windshield looks good. The gaps are great on both sides of the hood. You can't get them any better than that. And I like this turquoise color. It's a darker turquoise, isn't it?
Yeah, that's beautiful.
As we look up and down the side, the back of the door lines up great. Front of the door up top looks excellent. Super straight car. Front valance all looks good as well. Tire tread is in great shape. We're running some 215, 65 15s up front. Like Dalton mentioned, you got the disc brakes drilled and slotted rotors. Got the aftermarket wheels. The pinstripe really adds to it as well. Doors are great. Quarter panel's great. No bubbles, blisters, anything like that anywhere here down low. Always make sure when you're looking at some of these classics, you look down low. That's where the issues are going to be for you that are just getting into the market. There's your dual exhaust, comes out right like it should behind the rear wheel, kind of with a dump there. In this sail panel, lead line is always an issue area. This is just smooth as silk all the way across here, no imperfections. Feel that once. We didn't buff it either, I mean, just how it came in.
Nice.
Isn't that nice? Original door handles, couple tiny little blems in the door handles in the chrome. Rubbers were replaced during restoration. Corner of the doors are perfect. Door jamb paint was all done. The doors were pulled when it was restored. You can tell that by just the quality of paint in the jambs. Just beautiful job. Her shifter, 3-speed. Parchment interior looks nice. Headliner looks original also. Dome light works, very tight and nice. It's got a couple nice 6x9s in the back package tray. Even there, you can just tell the quality of the paint job that was done on it. And that's what sets this one apart from some of the other Firebirds on there for sale. I must have left my lights on, or maybe the brake lights are on. Got the lights up nice. Even the jam paint in here is just excellent. Now this is the original color. Look how close they got. They probably just left it. Yeah, that's the original paint there. But they did do this jam, but they did not paint under the trunk lid. Probably just to show the originality and the miles of it. But look.
Yeah, this looks like original spackle here too.
Yeah, it is.
I hate trunk mats.
I know, I do too. I mean, a beautiful trunk mat, but just draws a little moisture in there. It's awesome though. Trunk's super solid.
Got air shocks, usually a little.
Yeah, we can take those down if you want, or if you're not a fan of the tire and wheel size or whatever, change them. But it looks good.
Yeah, it's a cool stance.
Yeah. As we look up and down the driver's side, the back side of the door lines up to the quarter beautifully, so does the front. And that's just, a big deal in these classic cars. You want a nice straight car that lines up well. They never filled in these lines here. Like I said, one very quality repaint done back to the factory color. Even around all this chrome is nice.
And the cool thing with these Firebirds is they're an awesome car in general, but as far as, you know, the market price for these, you're not buying a 67, 68 Camaro with this quality for mid-30s.
No, you're definitely not even close. Especially with this color, the paint job, the interior, the sound, the drivability of it.
And how
all the rubbers are new.
The
Hell, it's
Firebirds
completely restored.
Yeah.
It's got a little aftermarket tach with that manual transmission. It's nice to have. Gas gauge works. 74,961 miles. There's no doubt in my mind that that's original.
Yeah. Headliner's excellent.
Heater fan works. Original radio, I figured would work in this car just by everything being so stock and nice, but it's there, but it does not turn on.
Glove box light works.
Dome light worked, didn't it? Dome light works, yeah. Oil pressure is good at 326. A lot of Pontiac motors when they're warm, and this one's warm. It's 150 degrees. Don't carry a lot of oil pressure. This one carries great oil pressure. Tach works as well here. Horn works, wipers work, and parks correctly. The old 3-speed. And the steering's super tight on it too. Steering wheel's in really good shape. It's got a couple of cracks in the corners, but it's original energy absorbing steering wheel, factory wheel. You know, it drives good. I didn't think it was a 326 2-barrel. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's got some good power.
Like even that puts you right back in the seat. That's awesome.
And a tight shifter. That Saginaw is perfect. Here's your brakes. Just like all the cars at Coyote Classics, brakes are the first things we do. Brakes are good. It's tuned up good. Clutch feels great. I'm just going to drive it just normal first here. Look at the paint as we look across the top of the hood, out over the dash. The lines, the paint color, the quality is beautiful. Here's your steering wheel, super tight. Look at that, going down the road. How about that? The 68 GTO and this 67 Firebird are both just quality, low mileage, awesome driving cars.
Yes, they are.
High-speed braking. Those power disc brakes work perfect. No pull left or right. Now we'll go through the gears a little bit. It's got a great idle. It's idling about 800 RPM, which is perfect. Tires do have just a little bit of rub on a very sharp turn to the left.
And we haven't had that, like, just turning in general, like practical turning, but that U-turn there.
Yeah,
they did.
yeah.
But, like if you're taking
First time I've had that happen.
If you're just taking your regular left turn, I don't think you'll have that. But.
No, even right here, it's not doing it.
No, it was just on that real sharp.
And we were kind of at an angle too.
Yeah.
Ready? I mean, this thing gets right with the program. There's 5,000.
Nice.
Look at that thing. Now tell me, this is as fast as any 400 if you get those RPMs up.
Oh, yeah.
That was 72 mile an hour, 3,000 RPM, 308 posi gears.
Nice.
So, and it drives perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, a guy could fly in, drive this one home.
Yeah, great car. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.